Hi! Today let's learn to make marble ice cream. First, let's make the vanilla flavor. Chill the bowl and the whisk in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then add half a cup of cold whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and mix well to avoid spreading powder when we are beating. Then start to beat from slow to medium speed. Within 2 to 3 minutes, it'll start to get stiff. Then you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then beat until it becomes stiff. After that, keep it in the fridge till our chocolate flavor is ready. Now we can make the chocolate flavor. Chill the bowl and the whisk, just like the vanilla flavor. Then add half a cup of cold whipping cream, 5 tablespoons of icing sugar, and mix well to avoid spreading powder. Then we can beat it until it becomes stiff. Then we can add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Blend it continuously until it stiffens. After that, take a clean box for setting the ice cream. First, add 1 layer of vanilla flavor. Then add chocolate flavor. Repeat the same step until it is finished. Level it up and cover it with foil. This helps to avoid ice crystals. Then close the lid tightly and freeze it in an airtight container for 8 to 10 hours. Finally, it's ready! I can't wait to taste it. Ooh, it just looks like the store-bought one. You can decorate this with whatever you want. Chocolate sprinkles, confetti. It is completely your choice. So delicious. Please subscribe for more yummy, delicious recipes like this. Bye!